In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning and have a nice day. Miss Shabana is here from RPS Voice Lahore, who welcomes you in her class with the message that even when clouds are dull and grey, behind them shine a brighter day. It means we should always be hopeful. We are going to learn English Ahead Student Book, Unit number 1, page number 23. We have learnt different skills of English language. First one, listening. Second one, speaking. And next one is reading and then writing. We are working on these skills of English language, and today we are going to learn and practice on writing skill, and the topic is what makes a good friend. After learning the lesson, you will be able to write an essay by developing an argument. Look at the photo and discuss these questions. What does it mean to be a good friend? You will discuss it with your friends that what does it mean to be a good friend? What is the meaning of being a good friend? What are the qualities that a good friend should have? Do you think good friends need to share the same interests? Why? Why not? And in this question you will give the reason, and the question is about the same interests of friends. Why? Why not? You will discuss these questions. Developing an argument. Introduce the essay topic. You will introduce the topic of your essay, and the topic of your essay is what makes a good friend. Explain what you are going to write about in the essay. In introduction part of the essay, you will explain that what is the topic of your essay. Main paragraphs. In the next segment, there will be main paragraphs. For each paragraph, write one opinion in a topic sentence to answer the essay's question. What is the question of essay? Essay's question is what makes a good friend. For each paragraph, you will write a topic sentence first, and then you will explain this topic sentence. That will be started from an opinion. Then use examples and explanation to support your opinion. And the last part of your essay will be conclusion. Repeat the reasons you have mentioned in the essay using fewer words. It means you will summarize the reasons here in the last part of your essay. It's your sub skill that you are going to write an essay by yourself, and you will keep these points in your mind. Your homework is write an essay, what makes a good friend. For this purpose, first of all, you must have in your mind the meaning of a friend. For example, friends fight for you, respect for you, include you, encourage you, need you, deserve you, stand by you. These are the qualities of friends. Means you must know about the qualities of your friends, of good friends. Here is a mind map for you. You will make such type of mind map by yourself. Good friend should be friendly, helping, cooperative, caring, sincere, sympathetic, well behaved, and there are many other qualities of a good friend. You will make such type of mind map in your notebook before starting the essay. It will help you, and these are the words These are the adjectives that we have learnt in the beginning of our lesson. Once again, you can look paragraph number 1. Now I am telling you about your essay, that how can you write your essay. In the very first paragraph, there will be introduction. Explain what the essay is about. In this paragraph, you will explain the topic of your essay. In paragraph number 2, first opinion. You will give first opinion, first topic sentence in paragraph number 2, and there will be supporting details, examples. You can use the examples from your daily life as well. Supporting details, and then there will be third paragraph, and in the third paragraph you will mention the second opinion, the second answer. Answer means your essay is actually a question, what makes a good friend, and here you will write the answer, second opinion, and its supporting details. In paragraph number 4, third opinion and its supporting details, and in paragraph number 5 there will be conclusion. It means in the last paragraph you will write the conclusion of your essay. You will conclude your essay properly. After writing your essay, you will check your essay on the basis of these points. Check your essay in exercise number 4. You will read exercise number 4. There are details about essay writing. There are some instructions. Then you will check, have you used a suitable introduction? You will check your introduction. Either it is suitable or not. Suitable introduction should be attractive, should be captivating, should be to the point, and should be inspiring. You can also use any type of quotation or any verse, okay, related to your topic. Clear topic sentences and supporting details. You will check that your essay has clear topic sentences, either the opinions are clear or not, and the supporting details means your examples are relevant or not. Correct punctuation and spelling. Then you will check that you have punctuated it correctly or not, means you have added full stops, commas, signs of exclamations and inverted commas or question marks properly or not. Then you will check your spellings. You can use any type of spelling corrector and you will check your spellings. Correct grammar. You must not have any type of grammar mistake in your essay, and vocabulary. Your vocabulary should be contextual and appropriate.